Really?
Popular.
And we leveled up!
I'm sorry, I don't have any on-screen stuff because I don't know how to do that.
Be nice to
we don't
Mococo,
sell
guys!
I
It's your
don't know
first
how to do
time!
stuff. I'm not gonna place the order yet. I tried to learn just because.
Also, actually, I've had a talk in membership
What?
just yesterday. Like, if I were to pronounce your names in an Indonesian accent,
Oh!
Raora and Fuwa would sound basically the same, but Mococo would turn into Mococo.
Mococo!
Mococo!
Mococo! You sound
Wait, how do you pronounce Fuwa and Raora?
Yeah.
Yeah, Fuwa and Raora is the same. Yeah,
Then
Fuwa
Mococo
and
is
Raora.
different.
Yeah.
Mococo! How do I say I'm Mococo then?
Aku Mococo.
Aku Mococo!
Cute!
Kamu gak apa-apa.